Cryptocurrency is a digital money, but unlike the money in your bank, which is backed and controlled by your local bank, cryptocurrency is decentralized. That means no central bank, no government, no single company controls it. Imagine the type of money that anyone in the world can use without needing a bank. Basically, all that is needed is just a smartphone and internet. And the best part, it is secure, it is fast, and in many cases, it is private. So, okay, one may ask, what makes it crypto? That's a good question. So let's talk about it. The crypto in cryptocurrency comes from the word cryptography. Fancy word, right? I know. But it simply means secure communication. So basically, cryptography means secure communication or secure way of communicating or interacting with people. Cryptography protects your transaction and your data, making sure that no one can just copy or fake your money. So it's like putting a digital lock on every single coin that you send or receive. And instead of using the bank to confirm the transactions, cryptocurrency use something called the blockchain. We'll talk about blockchain in great detail later, but think of it as a digital ledger or digital record book that is shared across the internet where everyone can see the transactions in real time. And the good part is no one can cheat or no one can change anything in the transaction, which means it will forever stay original and nothing can be done about it. Let us bring it closer to home so that you can understand it better. Imagine you live in Kumasi and your cousin lives in Lagos. You want to send her some money to pay her school fees. Traditionally, you use the bank or some service like the Western Union, MoneyGram, or other remittance service, right? But the problem is that could take hours or in some cases days. Plus you pay fees, sometimes high fees, and your cousin might need to travel to pick it up, right? Imagine the inconvenience. Now in crypto, you can send money and it would be received in minutes and in some cases seconds directly to a crypto wallet, no middleman, low fees or sometimes no fees at all, and of course no stress. So you see, cryptocurrencies are actually currencies or digital money, but in cryptographic form, which means it can be private, secure, cheap, and very fast. So now let's talk about some examples of cryptocurrencies. The most popular one that you have probably heard of is Bitcoin. It was first created in 2009 by Satoshi Nakamoto. We don't know whether it's a team, a group, or a single person, but all we know is that it was created by Satoshi Nakamoto. And today, Bitcoin has become the digital gold used to store value, hedge against inflation, and also trade globally. Bitcoin is now global. Then there is Ethereum, and this one goes beyond just money. It helps people to build apps, build games, smart contracts, NFTs, and more. Ethereum actually has prepared innovation in the crypto industry. Other cryptocurrencies you would hear is BNB, Solana, Matic, XRP, and even some meme coins like Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, so on and so forth. And the interesting part is each coin has its own purpose, a community, and in most cases, projects behind it. Many cryptocurrencies today are backed by real projects, solving real world problems and providing real world solutions. So now, is cryptocurrency legal? In most countries, yes, it is legal. You can buy cryptocurrencies, you can sell cryptocurrencies, you can use cryptocurrencies, but laws are still being developed to regulate it. In some countries, especially in the advanced countries like European Union and America, laws are being drafted rapidly or even have been developed to regulate cryptocurrencies. Some countries in Africa like Ghana is fast-tracking its regulatory policies to regulate cryptocurrencies in their country. So most countries embrace cryptocurrencies, and of course some few countries also ban it. But it's just a matter of time because cryptocurrencies is now like the air that we breathe. You cannot stop breathing. In Africa, countries like Kenya, Nigeria have high cryptocurrency usage, even though their central bank are cautious. Ghana, however, has taken more open steps, as a matter of fact, tech positive stance when it comes to crypto. So you see, it is very important to know the regulation in your country, understand the rules that governs cryptocurrencies in your country. Now the next question one may ask, is cryptocurrency safe? Yes, of course, because cryptocurrency is built on strong security. But like all technology, the danger often lies in how you use it. If someone tricks you into giving your password or your passphrase or your private key, or if you send your funds to wrong wallets, that unfortunately is onto you. So you see, mistakes can be made. So now let's talk about why people are using cryptocurrency today and why it is growing so fast in the world. People are using cryptocurrencies for different reasons and for different purposes. Some use it to send or receive money quickly across borders. Some invest in cryptocurrencies to grow their wealth. Some believe in freedom and the power of decentralized finance. And some use it as a way to avoid inflation in an ever unstable economy. So for millions of Africans who don't have access to bank, crypto is more than tech. It is, as a matter of fact, a great opportunity. So in simple terms, let's simplify it even more. Cryptocurrency is a digital money. It is built on a blockchain. It is decentralized, which means it is not owned by any institution, government, or company. It is very secure thanks to cryptography, and it is very useful, especially in regions with banking challenges. And the interesting part that I believe will excite you even the more is that it is a digital asset. Like gold, like diamond, like manganese, like land, like real estate. It's really an asset that you wouldn't want to miss out. We will talk about that later, but for now, let's understand that cryptocurrency is now and the future of money, and be proud that you are being part of it.